Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by collecting core data: station names, lat/long, line ID, and service order. Once you have that, load or create a base map. OpenStreetMap export or a blank grid works. Make sure to pick a consistent projection and scale so distances stay proportional. Next, plot the endpoints and major junctions first to anchor the layout. As you place those anchors, you'll see corridor shapes emerge. This early structure prevents clutter later and speeds the next steps. Now you draw the routes and add stations. Start with primary routes using smooth curves and consistent angle conventions. 45 degrees or 90 degrees bends keep the map legible. Once the backbone is set, place intermediate stations proportionally between anchors, keeping minimum spacing to avoid overlap. Use distinct colors and line weights to show line identity and service frequency. This helps viewers scan quickly. Once lines and stations exist, label them succinctly and align labels to finish by adding labels, icons for transfer points, a legend, scale bar, and north indicator so users orient quickly. Export your map as an editable vector, SVG or PDF for clean scaling, then test legibility at 100%, 50%, and 25% sizes to confirm text and symbols remain readable. If the map looks cluttered, simplify routes, increase station spacing, or create inset detail maps for dense areas. This single troubleshooting step resolves most layout problems without reworking the whole.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.